Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you my ultimate study tracker or planner. This is the Google Sheet I have created for my CA Final Group 1, which has very detailed information about everything I study. Let me explain you. Now here is my tentative exam date and number of days left for my exam. Coming to the main table, as you can see, we have details of lecture number, chapter, category, type based on the difficulty and everything. Now here are the checkboxes for my class. Revision, and I have set up 3 revisions with formula. Once the next day, the other after 8 days, later after 15 days. Now, here in chapter column, I have filled details of summary of the class which I have taken till date, and also categorized based on IQAI weightage and based on difficulty level for me on the basis on class taken till date. Now in the other page, I have the number of hours studied, hours pending subject, to-do list for the day and tomorrow. Here I don't have any pending to-do classes, hence, the same is back. There is one more sheet for to-do list, which gives me complete picture of pending list to do for the next 2 weeks. That's it for today. This is how I manage my studies in an organized manner. Let me know in comment section if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.